How to change your computer cursor in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, you need to open up your browser and then head to sweezy-cursors.com, this website, and then scroll down and basically look for a cursor from these available cursors list. You can basically search here for the favorite cursor that you want to use, and then simply just click on it or click on the download button here, and then choose complete pack. Click on it, and once this is downloaded, you want to basically drag it to your desktop and then right click and extract it to a folder. Now when you extract it to a folder, you should open it up and then basically just install it by right clicking on the start button, opening up the settings and looking for the mouse settings, and then click on the mouse settings and then click on additional mouse options, and from here go to pointers, and then inside the pointers tab click on the browse button and then navigate to the cursor that you've downloaded in your desktop, and then just select the animated cursor or the static cursor. So for example, if you select the fork, you can open up and it should change your cursor to a fork, and then you will just need to click on the apply button. So for example, I'm gonna try to switch this one. When you click on the apply, it should change your cursor as you can see right here, and you can also revert back to your default cursor. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.